1003 Pecos River. This property, from what I've seen so far, looks nicely rehabbed already. So we have nice high baseboards, laminate flooring, the correct 2.5-inch faux wood blinds that we like to put up, upgraded ceiling fan with a light kit, pretty counters that matches the backsplash, space saver microwave, raised panel doors, recessed lighting, underground sink, gooseneck faucet, lots of good things going on. This is great too. So we have a little bit of concrete back here with some rock. Don't have any greenery, but we can enjoy the neighbors with no maintenance, so that's nice. Also, the walls are a little higher than what I typically see, so you have a little more privacy. Sometimes we go ahead and remove those satellite dishes. That is up to the property manager. It's off to the side. Not sure if we need to do that now or maybe some other time in the future. Undermount sink. Pretty straightforward. A nice laundry room off to itself. You don't have to walk through another room to get to it. Tenants really appreciate that. It smells bad in here, but it doesn't always matter. I don't generally spend as much time in the garage as you do in other parts of the house, so it may not matter. If the property manager says it does, then we'll power wash it. Ooh. Oh. Sorry, this is quite a large closet. Carpet looks good. A little bit of gap there between the carpet and the wall. Not a big deal. For the most part, the rehab was done very cosmetically appealing. We have closet guides on those, non-locking door handles. It's great. So we need one blind for this room. Don't know why they left that one. We do have a rod and closet door guides. Laminate flooring, same beautiful stone, undermount sink, upgraded light fixture, correct blinds. We need a shower rod. Oh, and there it is. So do we paint these cabinets? We'll find out. Obviously that's very minor. This is one of the most ready houses I've seen. We have a towel bar. Okay. Sorry.